I figured it'd be easier for me to just show you what we did instead of typing it. So today on Schoology, there should be everything we did, and we looked at this, so go to 831 assignments. We looked at this Apple campaign video. It's just a commercial.
Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels.
Anyway, it's really good and really inspirational, so I'll let you click on that and look at that. And then once you watch that short commercial, you did a Jamboard. So this may be your first time doing a Jamboard. I love Jamboards because I love sticky notes. And so on the Jamboard, what we did was we answered this question: can one person change the world? I believe in your genius. How will you change the world? You just come over here, you make a sticky note, and you say, I think that people need help changing the world. It takes more than one person. I plan to make the world have better food. Or like whatever you want to say. I think I'm hungry. That's why I said better food right now. And then put your initials so I know that it's you, and then your sticky note will pop onto the board. You can just put it wherever. You can even layer it on because we can blow them up and make them bigger or whatever. So yeah, drop your sticky onto the Jamboard. Like here's mine from earlier. And you can double click it again if you need to edit it. I plan to change the world by making schools safer and more equitable for each and every student. My genius imagines a world where students love learning and are successful. Okay, so if I want to change it, I could do that. So you do that instead of a discussion board today. And then I just asked you about your rejection therapy, like how's it going? Do you have any updates? Do you need any help? And then on Wednesday, we're going to discuss exactly how you're going to submit that rejection therapy to me. And then lastly, we co-worked on your famous entrepreneur research. So we just spent some time on camera working on that together. And if anybody needed to ask questions, they could. But remember that assignment is from last week. And entrepreneur research project, here it is. And you signed up for your entrepreneur, and then the instructions are here. And just a reminder that you are doing a presentation in Google Slides, so one slide per topic. So here you go, these are your slides. And then it should include pictures, and then you're gonna write a one-page biopic about your entrepreneur. So basically like give me 1 page of information about your entrepreneur in a written format, and it should include all these things. Okay, so that's what we did today. It seems like, I don't think it seems like a lot. But anyway, yeah, wanted to let you know what we did. I hope that you are having a very great Monday. I will see you on Wednesday.